Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Drawing course. In this lecture, we are gonna show how to create a general table in Solidworks Drawing sheet. So let's go here to Annotation tab. And here we have tables. Now let's choose here a general table. So here we can define the table template and we're gonna skip this. Here also we can go to table position. We can attach to anchor point, but we're gonna leave the subject first. Here we have a table size. We can define columns and rows. Let's go with 5 columns and 5 rows. And here we can define the thickness of our border. Now let's click OK. And this is our table. We can place this table here, like this. Let's move it here. And now, for example, we want to write something here. We can just double click on this cell. And we can put here something, for example, 25, like this. We can also go to Excel. We can copy some data here. And we can place those numbers here. For example, like this. Now if we go here, here we have those 2 arrows. Let's click here. And now here we can add some title. Now we have general table, but we can double click here. And we can change this, for example, test. Let's click here. And this is it. We can also go here to this column, right click. We can go insert column right, left, or row below, and we can also delete table, column. We can go to this row. We can also go insert column, right, left, row above, and row below. We can also choose here merge some cells, sort, and so on. And what is the difference between this table and other tables? This table is not related to some drawing view or to some model. So with general table, we can show some informations that are not attached to a specific view or to specific model. So this table is not connected to some views or to some models. And this is the simple way how we can create a general table. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.